Grandma.
Hi, Elena. What are we doing today?
You say, hi, Robot Girl.
Hi, Robot Girl.
Say, what are you making today?
What are you making today?
Mac and cheese.
Of course. And there's the noodles boiling. And what is this?
Cheese.
What brand of mac and cheese are we making today?
Waka.
Oh, Hy-Vee brand mac and cheese. This is different. You picked it out yourself. Do you think it's going to be good? So what do you have in there?
Cheese.
How did you make it?
I make it with a big twist.
With a big twist? What's in it? What ingredients?
Butter, milk, cheese.
That's right. And then you stir it all together
Stir it all together.
to make the cheese sauce, right?
Yeah.
Do you think you need more milk in there?
No. You better cook with me, Grandma, okay?
All right.
Bye-bye.